Good morning, everyone. I'm Sonia Chaudhary from Kendriya Vidyalaya Zero, and today we will talk about the topic degrees of comparison in English. So let's start with the previous knowledge of the term adjective. In this, we will talk about the definition of adjective and how we compare the adjective of one noun from the another. So let's talk about the term adjective and then we will move on to the topic further. So, adjective is a word which describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Let's look at this example. Ram can run fast. In this sentence, you can see that Ram is a noun or a boy who can run very fast. So, fast is a word which describes the quality of a noun. Fast is describing that Ram is a boy who can run very fast. Now, look at the definition of degree of comparison. So, an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. So, when we compare one noun with the another, we called it degree of comparison. We try to compare the adjective. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide, which will help you to understand the types of degrees of comparison. So there are three types of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. These degrees are not related to math subject, but they are the degree of comparison of an adjective. This picture will help you to understand much better. So this picture shows two droplets. One is in purple color and the other is in green color. The purple droplet is playing with two balls and the other droplet is playing with three balls. So this shows that the first droplet is fast. It's playing very fast. But the other droplet is also playing very faster than the first one. So the first one is fast and the other one is faster. We are comparing one from the another. We are doing a comparison between them. Now, look at this boy who is in purple t-shirt. He is tall. But the other boy who is in green t-shirt is taller than the first one. So we are again comparing between these two boys' height. We are comparing the height of these two boys. Now again there are two houses in front of you. The yellow house is big, but the brown house is bigger. So we are comparing one house with the other house. First one is big and the other one is bigger. Now we are comparing the three trees. The first tree is large. The other tree is larger and the third one is the largest. So when we go to the types of degrees of comparison, we will say the first one is positive degree, the other one is comparative, and the last one is superlative. We compare between three noun or a pronoun. So tree is a noun, so we are comparing between three trees. One is large, the other is larger, and the third one is the largest. Now look at this picture. There are three snails who are moving in a race. The first one is slow. The other one is the slowest. And the third one is the slowest. Now in this picture there are three persons who are playing a lottery. The first one is lucky who got 7 points. The other one is more lucky who got 777 points. Or the third one got 777. So the first one is lucky, second one is luckier, and the third one is the luckiest. In this, you can see the three shades of red. The first one is red, other one is redder, and the last one is the reddest. Now the yellow house is big, the other house is the bigger one, and the last one is the biggest. Big, bigger, and biggest. Now let's look at some examples. Hard, harder, hardest. Big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. Long, longer, longest. Short, shorter, shortest. Costly, costlier, and costliest. Simple, simpler, and simplest. Now there is one more way to compare things when we don't say big, bigger, biggest, or beautiful, beautifuler, and beautifulest, but we will say beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Effective, more effective, and most effective. Similarly, you can see there are so many examples like useful, more useful, and most useful. There is one more way when we say or we try to compare things. Like in this, teacher always says you have done a good work. But to improve, they say you can do much better. But if your work is extremely good, then they say this is the best work. So the three ways to compare the good work is good, better, and best. Same thing happens with the bad work also. Bad, worse, and worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. So thank you very much, children. I hope you enjoy this video and learn the concept of degree of comparison in English. When you grow up, you will learn more. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.